Case specific, but I use Unity 3D, and I don't think right-line arguments, the curlies, work with debug.log. Is there an alternative syntax to get around that? Well, certainly. You can just default into string concatenation, where you could say console right-line, my number is my number.
Well, you better show String.Format, or I'm getting a ticket to come up to Seattle and kick you in the...
I was going to.
Okay.
Jeez. So you could do this, but the preferred way is if you want to pass in a string, a format string, into a object or into a method that accepts a string but not a format string, you can simply do string.format. And string.format will behave like what you saw before. So we could say my number, and then my number. Now with WriteLine, because WriteLine understands format strings, you don't need to do this with WriteLine. But for debug log, which does not understand format strings, you would have to wrap it in an invocation to string.format.